Welcome to Housekeeping Tips with Shar. Blessings to you all. Today I will be washing my bathtub. As you can see, I have on some gloves. Normally I don't use gloves, but the detergent is so strong and it's messing up my hands. So I decided to put them on. First, this is our shower bath. See, I haven't washed this in a week because I was not here. So it's the first time washing it for a week. So I'm going to turn this on so we can rinse it out. Alright, we normally rinse it out. Normally when the guys take their shower, of course they'll use their foot and rinse out whatever down there. But then when I come in on a Friday or Thursday, the first thing I do, I'll shower, then I'll wash my bath. When I'm away, the first thing once I'm back in my bath and my kitchen, those two are very, very important to me. I care about the entire house, but my bath and my kitchen, those are the first places that I go for. Okay, so here I have in my spray bottle, I have some detergent. I won't say what detergent. Okay. Just remember, we're not running advertisements, so I tend to spray it before I soap it. I don't use the Ajax bleach because normally when I use the Ajax bleach, it takes forever to wash out of the bath. So I just use my spray. I have my little thing here, little container. That's me, so I don't throw them away because I find a lot of, use for them. So I keep this in the bath. Whenever times I finish shower, I'll, take it and I'll soap up the wall. And I'll leave it. So when I come in, like on a weekend, depends on when I come in. No, I come in every other day. And I just, soap it off and leave it. So when I'm washing, I don't have to be sweating and, it's there. It's so people come and they shower, and when they shower, it bounces off, and it don't, like the grime and the grease and all of those things. Just by spraying it, it's like it's pre-wash, right? So when I ready to wash it, I don't have a lot of work to do. Okay, so I have my Scotch right here, and I'm just gonna. Normally I put my hand in this. And I'm just going to hold this. Normally I wet this. Oops. I didn't put this down. Okay. And we're going to rub, because I have some soap on this already. I'm going to rub. See, I rub across. Because when I take my shower, as I said, if I'm here, like, if I have to go to work and I come back, and I'm taking a shower in the morning before I leave, I make sure I do this and I leave it. I don't wash it off. So it stays there. Okay. So we put this right here. Put a little spray on this. Yeah. And then I'm scouring, you see, the lines. So I don't have a lot of excessive work when I come in because I always maintain whatever I do. Okay? If I go to work Monday, after showering Monday morning, I wash it off and I leave it. I don't wash off the soap. I leave it. We need to take these down. Put them there. Oh, these. We take these down. $10 soap. because we want to wash everything. And another thing, by doing what I'm doing, when I shower, and I soap it down, and I decide to wash when I come in, like on a Friday or whenever I come in. It's so easy to wash. Yeah? So easy to wash. You scrub it. You can use whatever you have. I'm just using this. I don't want anything else. Just this with some detergent. I shouldn't say detergent, with some bleach then. And a soap, whatever soap, detergent soap. And you scrub or rub. Yeah. It's not about all the cleaning supplies, about you. Because you could have all those cleaning supplies. And if you don't do it properly, it's not going to be done properly. So, it's about you. So while I do this, I leave it. And I'm going to focus on the mat or mat. So this is my brush. So I use the mat brush. Do this. Do it in a circle, so that it wash under these things here. See, when I do this, it washes under there. And trust me, 1, 2, 3, your bath will be clean, because it's like it was pre-washed before. Yeah, I need to relax after a hard week of work. So I don't want to come in and have this excessive housework. So I try to maintain what I have. My bath. Yeah, it's not supposed to take me more than a few minutes to wash. Going to work Monday morning now. Just soap it after I finish taking my bath or my shower, and I soap it and I leave it, and it stays that way. When they come in, the guys come in and they shower, at least just because I put the spray and the bleach and everything on it, it stays there, and the grime and the grease, it doesn't stay. Once they take their shower, it goes away. And then when I come now, whatever time I come and I wash it, I'm out of here in no time. Yeah? No time. Nothing in this house must take me forever, because I need to relax. And I need to do my housework. So I maintain it. You can also soap this off. It's a window. Yeah. You see, I'm using this. Do another soap off. I don't have to wash this time off. I can just leave it. It stays there. Yeah. Then we clean off the sides. Now the sides of our bath. Then we have some towels over here. We clean them off as well. Clean off our the towel, clean off our switch. And then there's another switch, clean off your towels. Yeah. if I want, I can wash this. Normally if you have like, some people have things that they use to cover this, the drain. If you have like a piece of paper towels, and you just wipe it out. Clean it out. Right? And we wash all this off. I need no time. See, and that's your bathroom there. Clean. Nothing to take me long. Even if I had was to leave this for like 2 weeks, I'll do the same thing. Just once you shower when I'm leaving, like on a Monday morning, I soak them up. No, I don't really leave on a Monday morning anymore. I leave every other day. Right? And I soap it up, spray it, and it stays there. Home you shower, look at it. I'm just using the soap and I'm just rubbing it over it, see? And I'm not gonna wash this time off. So it stays there. Yeah? Then I'm gonna put these back. I tend to wipe them off. This goes here. And then wipe these off. Could also wash them off because it's soapy. So we could wash them off, right? So we could wash them off. Then we put this up here. Wash them off. There's soap there. We wipe out the sides of our bath. See? We put these. I tend to leave that there because that's where I keep it so it's close to me. It's very close to me. This way you don't have to spend all evening or whatever little time you get in your bath, say you're scouring your bath. No. No time you should go in your bath, wash it out and it's clean. You had a long week at work, you want a break, so you're not gonna use housework to take up all of that relaxing time. This, normally if it needs washing, I just wash it. While it's there, I do like this. With a brush, you could use a brush, and I do this. You know? Just do that, and then I just turn this on and I wash it off. The only thing I wash is the cloth. And remember, when you finish with your bath, you tend to pull the curtain. That way, when you pull the curtain, you won't have any, what should I say, stuff, grime, mold, or anything. Because normally when it's like this and you shower, then you know that is how the mold come on it. So if you put it like this, pull it across. It's going to be dry, right? Pull it across. Open it. So when you finish shower, it's dry. Okay? That's what I do. So I don't have anything on my plastic with black and the grease Once I shower, I wash it off and it stays there and dry. So this is our bathroom. I put this down. And then we have our mop. Yeah. Both my bath and my toilet, they're separate, so I will be doing that as well. And I shake my little mat out. And I put my mat in. And this way I have my shower. Catch you in the next video.